Alright, so in this video, my name is Chemaki Webike. Good morning, good afternoon, or maybe it's a good night. Whatever time you're watching this video, I greet you. So today I want to show you how you can withdraw your earnings from your DigitStem affiliate account. So you're an affiliate on DigitStem and you'll be making sales at the end of the week. You are going to withdraw your earnings. So today is Friday. We withdraw our earnings on Fridays. So today I'm going to be withdrawing my earnings so that you will see how it is done. So I'm going to log into my affiliate account. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I clicked on this three dash here and I open the affiliate dashboard. The student login is where you start your courses, okay? That's where your courses are arranged so that you will learn what affiliate marketing is all about. That's if you are already an affiliate. So I'm going to log into my affiliate dashboard. It's coming up. So when it comes in, I'm going to log in right now and withdraw my earnings for the week. It's coming up. Okay, seems it's wasting time. I don't know. So, okay, it's coming up. I've already done a video on how, okay, this is my account now. It's already open. So, I've already done a video that explains what affiliate marketing is all about and what we do on affiliate marketing on DigitStem. I will put it in the description of this particular one so that you can learn what affiliate marketing is all about, just in case you're not aware. So I'm going to go to this is supposed to be my picture, this picture icon here, but I've not put my picture there. So I'm going to click on it, and can you see the options here? Profile. I'm going to click on this wallet here. So I'm going to click on the wallet. I'm going to click on the wallet. It's opening. It's opening. It's opening. It's opening. It's coming up. I guess network is really bad today. So it's coming up. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, so we are going to click on this wallet here. So you can see this 155. I've already withdrawn it. I've already finished eating it actually. So I'm going to, I have $75 already in my wallet now. So I want to withdraw it, and they say withdraw all $75, and I want to withdraw all because I need money right now. So I've clicked on withdraw all. So I'm just going to my account. My details is already here. Guarantee Trust Bank. Everything is already here. So if you are not in Nigeria, you put your Nigeria account. It can be paid through PayPal or any other payment options. I've already set my own with this account, so I'll just submit. Tada! So good, my request has been done. So okay. So this request has been sent right now. So tomorrow, so I don't have money now in my wallet. Tomorrow, that is Saturday, I'm going to receive this money I withdrew now as a Saturday blessing. So if you're here to join DigitStem, this is the best opportunity if you really want to make money online. I strongly suggest you start affiliate marketing. If you want to know more what affiliate marketing is all about, I'm going to drop the link to the video I made that will explain what affiliate marketing is all about, so that you will know what it is and start immediately. Okay, to get started on DigitStem is just 15,000 naira, and you are going to learn more than 10 skills that will make you to be financially empowered. Not just that you have learned this skill, you also be making money selling digital products online. So if you have not joined this opportunity, get started now. Okay, I'm still a teacher, but I do this as my side hustle. You can't be spending money every day and be earning at the end of this month. You need to be making money every week. So God bless you. See you on the other side.